Hello friends, welcome to Ngx. Today I'm going to explain how to implement this toaster notification in Angular 14. So the library I'm going to use this ngx toaster, and here I listed out all the steps. We can go one by one. The steps are very easy and very straightforward only. So I will provide the complete documentation about this ngx toaster in this video. Okay. So the first thing is we have to install these packages. So let me copy this one, npm install ngx toaster. So already I'm having this created application. Let me go to the new terminal. Here I'm going to execute this command. So it will take some time to install the packages. And once it's done, we have to include the CSS. Okay, our installation gets completed. So we can see in this changes packages. So this ngx toaster version 15 is installed. So now let me go to this angular.json file. So in this style section, we already have some CSS. So let me include our CSS also. So the third step is we have to import this model. So in our application, let me go to this app.model. So here, let me import it first. From ngx toaster, and our model name is toaster model. Okay. Then I'm going to include in our import section. So some global configuration we can manage here. So currently I'm not going to provide any value. So I will explain it later. And also I'm going to create one new component, ng generate component. Okay, our component is created. Let me go to this TS file. So in this constructor, I'm going to inject this toaster services. Okay, if it is not coming, we have to import it manually. So let me include here. So then I'm going to create one function. So success. So here I'm going to use this injected toaster alert for the success. Here I'm going to provide the message. Okay, fine. So then in this HTML side, I'm going to change this one into H1. And then let me create one button. Name is success. Here I'm going to add some style. Matte raised button. So let me save it. And then I'm going to take this selector. So in our app component, let me include this one. So we have installed these packages. So let me rerun my application. So any package you are installing, you have to restart it. That is the better practice. Okay, this is running now. Let me verify it. So when I'm clicking the success, okay, I'm not getting anything. Yes. Yeah, actually I have created this function, but I'm not binded. So let me do it. So let me click this one. So see, we are able to see this alert. So here we are seeing these messages. The same time we can include some title also. Let me show you. So first we have included these messages. Next I'm going to include this title. So let me save this one. I'm going to click this button once again. See now we are able to see this title and also these messages, right? So the similar way I'm going to create one more button. So the next one is for error and the third one is for warning and the final one is for info. And the same way I'm going to change these colors. So before that let me create some custom CSS here. Next I'm going to create for this danger. Okay, we have created. Now let me go to this HTML side. So the first one is success and the second one I'm going to use this danger and the third one is warning. Already we have this one class, so let me reuse it. So under the final one I'm going to have this primary only. Now I'm going to change this functions also. First one is error, warning and the final one is info. Okay, so let me define all the functions one by one. Error, then this warning and the final one is info. So let me change the text also. Toaster error testing and the third one is I'm going to provide this warning testing. So the final one is info testing. So totally we have these four colors. And I'm going to provide some break and this is fine. Now I'm going to click this success. Okay, I'm getting this success notification. Now let me click this error. Okay, here also I'm getting this green. So let me check this function. Yes. So instead of this success, we have to use this error. And the similar way, we have to use this warning. And the final one is info. So now we are getting this error message with this icon. And the third one is warning. So we are getting this warning. And the final one is info. Okay, we are getting this in this blue color. So next we have to see this customization. So currently we are getting these alerts in this top right corner. So instead of that, let me change the position so that we can handle in this global manner. So in this app.model, already we have imported this toaster model. Here I'm going to use this class, position class. So the value I'm going to provide toast top left. Okay. So see now, so it's coming in this left top corner. So the similar way instead of this top, we can use this bottom. Now if I'm clicking, it is coming this bottom. So it is applicable for all the notification. Even if I'm clicking this warning also, it will come like this. And if you want everything should be in the center, then you have to provide like this center. If you provide left, it will go for the left side. So I'm going to provide both the thing as the center. Okay, now if I'm clicking it, exactly it is coming in the center point. Okay, and if I'm clicking multi times, so the same notification is coming for many times. So that also we can prevent. So we have one option is called prevent duplicates. So let me make this one as the true. So now I'm clicked this one. If I'm trying to click multiple times, it won't come. So now if I'm clicked this error, so actually I'm clicking many times, it is coming only one time. And then this duration. So I just clicked, it will show in this 5 seconds, right? So after that it will be closed. So instead of that, if you want to extend the time also, so you can use this timeout option. Here I'm going to provide this 3000, okay? Then it will be closed in 3 seconds. Okay, it is closed. So in case if I'm extending this value, it will wait that much of time, then it should be closed. Okay, and the next thing is animation. So for that we have the option is called easing. So the value should be is in, and then this is in time. So we can provide some value. Okay, let me save this one. See now actually I'm clicked. It is taking very long time and it is closed smoothly. So let me change this value. See now it is coming slowly and then the same way it is closed. Okay, this is all about this notification option. So currently I have applied this configuration for in this common manner. So the thing we can apply for this individual places also. Let me show you. So here I just removed this easing option. So if I'm clicking, it is coming in this normal manner. Okay. And now in our component side, what I'm going to do. So let me take this show messages. Here I'm going to pass one more parameter as the object. So in this individual call also we can assign these properties. So let me save this one. So now I'm clicking this one. See now it is coming very slowly and it is closing slowly. So at the same time if I'm clicking this error, it is coming quickly. So now we are able to see the difference, right? So actually I'm clicked to 3 things, but if I'm clicking this one, it is coming very slowly because we are applied for this individual call. Okay. Okay, now we are in the good shape. Now let me move on some customization. So for the testing purpose, we are using all the notification in this single component, but in the real-time application, we have to reuse the functions in the different places. So better approach, what we can do, let me create one services, ng generate services, and already we have one folder is called service. Yes. So let me create inside this folder, and our service name is notifier. Okay. Okay, great. Our service also it's created. So what I'm going to do, so let me inject this our toaster services here. Okay, it's added. So let me copy all of our functions from our notifier itself. and then I'm going to include everything in our notifier services. Let me change this one also to toast. So instead of adding directly, I'm going to have two parameters. First one is title and the next one is message. So let me copy these two things. I'm going to add for all the methods, and then we have to pass these parameters here. So the first one should be message and the second one should be our title, right? So the same thing I'm going to apply for all of our functions. Then if you want to apply some individual configuration also, you have to add like this. So currently we are included for this access. The similar way we can add for this alert or warning and info also. So anyway, let me keep it like this. Now I'm going to this our notifier component. So instead of this toaster services, I'm going to use for our notifier services. Okay, and here I'm going to use source access. So the first one should be title and the second one should be messages. Okay, now we are good. So now let me click this success. Okay, we are getting this one, and then this error and this warning and the final our info also. So everything it is working fine. So hereafter, so I need to use this same alert for some other places also. I can use it. So let me take my one of the function. I mean this multi-form. Okay, it is coming for every places. So I'm going to include this component also in this router side. So in this app routing model, so let me copy this one in our app component. So let me remove this one. So instead of that, I can include here. Okay, it's fine. So now in this multi-form, so I'm going to include the same notification. So let me go to this multi-form side. So after this handle submit, currently we not injected in services. So let me inject our notification service here. Notification services. So let me take this one. So after our submit, I'm going to call this one source access, and our title is employee, and then message saved successfully. So let me save it. I am providing some value here. So see now I'm getting this alert. The similar way we can reuse all of our notification in this different components. Okay. So now we are in the end of the video. Still, if you have any doubts or clarification, please post in the comment box. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So in this source code I will upload in the GitHub. I will share that link also in our description. You can use it. So let me do one small changes before uploading this one into our GitHub. And this duration also I'm going to provide on big value. So see now it is looking some uniform manner. See now all the alerts are showing in this single place. Thanks for watching.